onda, vatos? Thanks for tuning into yet another video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for hitting that like button. Let's get into the topic of today's ride, and it's the holiday season. Christmas time is here, and quite honestly, it's not what we expected it to be. I know, looking back in February, maybe even March, we were told 15 days. 15 days to slow the spread. How long has it been? 8-9 months? And we're still sheltered in place. I know a lot of you guys are dealing with a lot worse. Here in California, they're really strict about it. I've been fortunate enough to still keep on working 60 hours a week. So I haven't been affected by, layoffs, sheltered in place, anything like that. I'm considered a essential worker. But a lot of you guys, I know you guys are just not, you guys haven't had the same luck that I have. It's been tough on everybody, honestly. I have family members, and I see what's going on. I lost friends. I don't know if it was related with what's going on, but you know what? I think everybody's dealing with this stuff, and we're all still fighting through it, honestly. And I know it's the happiest time of the year and all this other stuff. It's the holidays, and I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. Wanted to wish you guys a good and prosperous and bright holiday season. You guys, spend it with your family, my family to your family. God bless you guys, and you know what? Thanks for tuning in. Thank you for watching the videos, and and just staying active. And I just want you guys to stay positive and know that there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Eventually with the vaccines, I'm not taking it myself, but eventually the herd immunity and everything else, it's gonna play itself out. And with all the numbers of depression and stress, and I don't want anybody to lose their lives over a temporary. It's temporary. I know some people are losing their houses. Some people are losing everything they've worked for. Everything that it's rough times, and I just hope you guys make it through. You guys stay positive. Look at it. This is just temporary. It's gonna end. You guys have to enjoy your families. Spend time with your families. Know that there's people out there that care about you guys. Even though you guys might feel alone and everything else like this, there's people that just care about you guys. I know this. You might feel like you're alone, like you're by yourself, but you know what? There's family, there's friends that care about you guys. Quite honestly, I don't care, who you are. There's people out there that care about you. So you guys just have to, fight through this, and we're all dealing with it. Everybody's in on it. The whole earth, everybody on earth is dealing with these sheltered in place, these lockdowns, this whole disease that was brought upon us by China. It is what it is. It was them, and you know what? I'm not gonna say anything about how they censored the WHO, the World Health Organization. I'm not gonna say anything about that. So you know what? This isn't a rant or anything like that. I'm just gonna, wish you guys a happy, Merry New Year's, Merry Christmas. Hope you guys get to enjoy it with your families. I'm actually taking some time off of work. I'm going to be taking off about maybe 6 days. So I'm going to enjoy it with my family, spend some time, take a break from working all these hours, paying all these taxes. You guys just stay out there, stay safe, stay positive. Don't believe everything you read, all right? If you guys haven't learned anything, the media has been lying to us like crazy. I'm not gonna get into all of that, all right? You guys just stay out there, stay safe. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later, vatos.